cook. So I'm gonna make something fast today. Today I'm gonna make roasted potatoes with chicken and garlic. We bring our chicken, salt with pepper, we prepare now our marinated sauce, 2 cloves garlic, two spoon olive oil, one spoon apple freezing salt with pepper. We mix everything together. We bring our chicken our packing tray. We open between the skin here for marinating. Now we fill our chicken with our marinated side. You rate it good? Now we prepare our potatoes. We cut it big, thick. Our potatoes just ready. Put our potatoes in. 2 spoons salt with pepper, one spoon olive oil, we mix everything good together. We put this on the side. We bring our garlic. We cut this side. We put our garlic in olive oil and we use a little bit olive oil. And then we close our olive oil with the garlic. We bring our tray. We put our garlic here on the side and we put our potatoes. Now our tray ready to baking. We put our tray in the oven now. (180 degrees for 45 minutes, but we will take it out around 20-25 minutes to change direction from potato. Now after 25 minutes we turn our potato. Now our potatoes turn down to the other side. Now I put it again to the back oven for 20 minutes. Now after 45 minutes our potatoes and chicken, they are ready. We can see they are non-stick, as well our potatoes. Now we will make our garlic. We press our garlic. Now we press our garlic completely. Some parsley, and we cut them very fine. Now we put some butter. Now we add our garlic. We add our parsley. Our parsley and garlic is ready. Now we spread our parsley, our potatoes and chicken. Bon appétit!